Do you know your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra can turn on the screen automatically when you pick it up? With Lift to Wake, you don't need to press any button to check your phone. Let me show you how to enable it. First, open Settings. Scroll down and tap Advanced Features. Tap Motion and Gestures. Find Lift to Wake Up and make sure it's turned on. With this feature is enabled, your screen will automatically turn on when you pick up your phone. This makes it easier to quickly check notifications all the time. And that's how you turn on your screen, just by picking up your phone on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.